So guys, let's go inside and see our sample studio unit here at St. Residences. So pagpasok po natin, una natin makikita ang kitchen area. Then we have our overhead cabinet, lower cabinet, the sink, cooking top, and also have a radiation here. And then on my right side is your toilet and bath. So let's go inside. So malawak po siya, spacious sa ating toilet and bath. Meron na kaming washing machine area, your shower area. And that's side. And you have as well, ito siya, connected na po siya sa receptionist sa baba natin. And you have your refrigerator area, your dining area, and also connected already to our one bedroom here. Here is your one bedroom, and on my right side is your walk-in closet. Okay, and TV here. So this is how you design or design the unit here at St. Residences. So you can get an inspiration on how you design your unit. So thank you guys for watching and follow for more videos about real estate condo here in the Philippines. Thank you.